To find the integral of e to the power 2x plus 3 with respect to x. So by substitution method, we know all x must be in the form of t. For that, we have to substitute a function equal to t. So here we have a linear function 2x plus 3. So let 2x plus 3 equal to t. Now we will differentiate so that we can even substitute for dx. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative of 3 is 0, and if we differentiate t, we get dt by dx. So but here we have only dx, so we will take dx is equal to dt by 2. Now this implies integral of e to the power, so 2x plus 3 is t and dx is equal to dt by 2. Now this implies, let us take out 1 by 2 constant outside, so we will get e to the power t with respect to t. Now this implies 1 by 2. So we know the formula, integral of e to the power x dx is e to the power x plus c. So here we will get e to the power t plus c, but we have to write the value of t, which is 2x plus 3 plus c. Now you tell me the integral of e to the power ax plus b dx without solving. Now let us solve 17th question. We have to find the integral of x divided by e to the power x square with respect to x. So here we have to do the right substitution. We have to choose the appropriate function for the substitution. So now which function must be equated to t so that its derivative is also in the question? So if you differentiate x square, we will get 2x, right? So this x is already in the question, so that's why we will take this x square equal to t. So let x square equal to t. So now we will differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of x square is 2x, and if we differentiate t, we will get dt by dx. Now x into dx is equal to dt divided by 2. Now let us substitute 1 divided by e to the power t into dt divided by 2. So let us take out the constant 1 by 2 outside. So now this is e to the power minus t with respect to t. So this is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power minus t divided by, so here we have minus t, so we will write minus 1 plus c. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus t plus c. So therefore minus 1 by 2 e to the power, so in the place of t we will write minus x square plus constant of integration. So therefore integral of x divided by e to the power x square dx is minus 1 divided by 2 into e to the power x square plus c. So this is the required integral.